know, it's really a two for Tuesday with the weather threats today. We have the high heat today, and we also have the risk for severe weather. We've been talking about this since yesterday morning. We do have a line of thunderstorms that may pass, and if it does, then we're talking about 60 or 70 mile an hour winds, enough to cause downed trees, power lines being down as well, and that would mean power outages too in South Jersey. Let's take a look at today's radar. This is how it could go. You notice these thunderstorms kind of blossoming as they move south. The question is, do they blossom in time to give us a severe weather? We are in a risk for severe weather by the Storm Prediction Center, and it is an important day to be weather aware. Now, this morning we're going to be fine. It's just going to be very sticky out. We'll have sunshine with some areas of fog. Temperatures rising into the 80s by 9 a.m. on a west-southwesterly wind. That west-southwesterly wind will keep the shore and the mainland about the same with temperatures. We'll be at or above 90 degrees. Keep the air conditioner on between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Avoid strenuous activity during this time. Look at our heat index again, 98 over in Hamilton, 98 in Estelle Manor, 97 in Galloway there. Now, if you are heading to the shore, I do believe you have a mostly dry day here. It's really only if you go late in the day that we see that risk for severe weather. Water temperatures are warm. Surf heights are pretty low as well. There is a moderate risk for rip currents, so just make sure to pay attention to where you swim and make sure to always swim in front of the lifeguards. Keep the sunscreen on too with the burn time of 20 minutes. After we get past today, it's going to be very comfortable for Wednesday, but it's a one-day special because the heat and humidity return for Thursday and Friday. Temperatures around 90 degrees both days. Then we're going to watch for what will be the remnants of Laura. That could come through and bring a half day to a day's worth of wind, rain, and coastal flooding. We're going to give it until tomorrow before we can put a definite on that. But what I do know is regardless of if it comes through or not, we're going to have some September-like air as we round out the last couple of days of August. We'll be with you from Summers Point for our 1:30 p.m. forecast. We'll talk more about severe weather then. In the meanwhile, you can follow me on social media and sign up for my Something in the Air newsletter at thepressofac.com/weather.